on north-south oriented roadways such as Interstate 55, Interstate 155, and Interstate 57. Some tree damage is possible, and lightweight objects will be blown around. A wind advisory means
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 536, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, McHenry, Ogle, Willand, Winnebago, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, WXK-24 Hotel. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for LaSalle, Will, Grundy, Kankakee, Iroquois, Ford, Livingston, McLean, Woodford, and Marshall counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 6:17 p.m. Central Standard Time.
the following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect.